Hey Mark, today we're talking about something that completely changed my English. It's called Shadowing 2.0.
Shadowing, like following someone's shadow?
Not exactly. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your English speaking, pronunciation, and listening at the same time. And today we're going to talk about the upgraded version, Shadowing 2.0.
Okay, I'm curious. First, tell me what normal shadowing is.
Basic shadowing is very simple. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say at the same time or with just a tiny delay. You copy their pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, and speed. It's like becoming their shadow.
That sounds difficult.
It is at the beginning, but after a few weeks, it becomes magical. Your mouth starts moving naturally, your accent becomes smoother, and you remember phrases much better.
So what makes it 2.0? What's new?
Shadowing 2.0 is the smarter, more effective way people are using it in 2025 and 2026. It's not just repeating anymore. Here are the upgrades.
Let's hear them.
Number 1, choose the right material. Don't shadow random YouTube videos. Use short, clear, natural conversations, like this one. Ideal length is 30 to 90 seconds. The speaking speed should be comfortable for you.
What about podcasts or Netflix?
Good question. For Shadowing 2.0, start with podcasts that have transcripts. Greentea English episodes are perfect for this because we speak naturally but clearly. Number 2, 3-step shadowing method. Step 1, listen and understand. Just listen one time without repeating. Step 2, shadow silently. Move your mouth and whisper while listening. Step 3, shadow out loud. Repeat with full voice, trying to copy everything: the emotion, the pauses, the stress on words.
That makes sense, so it's not just one step.
Exactly. Number 3, record yourself. This is the biggest upgrade in Shadowing 2.0. After you shadow 5 to 10 times, record your voice and compare it with the original. You will hear your progress very clearly.
That sounds a bit scary, but very useful.
It is. At first, you'll feel embarrassed, but after 2 weeks, you'll be shocked at how much better you sound.
Any more tips for Shadowing 2.0?
Yes. Shadow every day for just 10 to 15 minutes. Consistency beats long sessions. Focus on one skill at a time. One day, focus on pronunciation. Another day on intonation and rhythm. Use slow motion shadowing. You can slow down the audio to 0.75x speed at the beginning. Add shadowing while walking. Many people say they improve faster when they walk and shadow at the same time. Shadow emotions. Don't speak like a robot. If the speaker is excited, sound excited. If they're relaxed, sound relaxed.
This is much more advanced than I thought.
There's even more. Shadowing 2.0 also includes chunk shadowing. Instead of repeating word by word, you repeat in natural groups of words, the way native speakers actually think.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, I am going to the store, you shadow, I'm going to the store, as one piece.
That feels more natural.
Exactly. Another powerful trick in Shadowing 2.0 is back shadowing. You listen to one sentence, pause, then repeat it. This is easier for beginners and still very effective.
So which one should a B1 learner start with?
Start with back shadowing for 2 weeks, then move to simultaneous shadowing. After 1 month, add recording and comparison. That's the full Shadowing 2.0 journey.
Do you have any success stories?
Many. I've seen students reduce their accent dramatically in 2 to 3 months. One of my friends went from being nervous to speak to confidently giving presentations after doing shadowing every morning while walking to work.
That's impressive.
The best part? Shadowing is free. You only need your phone and good headphones.
So here's your action plan for this week. Choose one short audio from Greentea English, 30 to 60 seconds. Do the 3-step shadowing method every day. Record yourself on day 7 and compare. Tell us in the comments how it felt.
Shadowing 2.0 is not just practice. It's training your brain and mouth to think in English. If you do it regularly, you will speak faster, clearer, and more confidently. Thank you for watching Greentea English. If you want more shadowing practice, comment shadowing below and we will make more special episodes for it. Which technique are you going to try first? Back shadowing or full simultaneous shadowing? Let us know. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and stay consistent.